Hi everyone, welcome back to another episode of Tastefully Balanced. I'm Miriam, and today we're switching it up with a new series called Recipe Testing, where I test recipes from books, the internet, anywhere. So stay tuned to see what I test this week. Alright, welcome back. So in front of me I have the book from which recipe I'm testing today. So it's called the I Love Trader Joe's Party Cookbook, and it couldn't be more fitting because if you haven't noticed already, I really like going to Trader Joe's. So this book is all about going to Trader Joe's, finding your ingredients at Trader Joe's, and then making dishes out of it. So this week, I'm going to be making a butternut squash and green bean curry to keep in theme with my Desi month. So I have all the ingredients already portioned out in front of me. And it's a really easy recipe. All I'm gonna do is take coconut milk, put it in my big saucepan here, and then I'm going to add some frozen green beans and butternut squash. And this butternut squash is from Trader Joe's, and it's already cut and stored in little bags for you, so it makes it really easy. Add that in. All right, and I'm gonna wait for this to come to a simmer before I move on to the next step. Okay, so I decided to cover it to make it steam faster, but that looks awesome. Okay, so I'm gonna add some green chilies. This is also from Trader Joe's. You can buy it in little 4-ounce cans. And then I'm also going to add a couple teaspoons of curry powder. Okay, and then you want to taste for salt. We haven't added any salt yet, so I'm definitely gonna add about a teaspoon of salt and pepper, and then taste it before adding any more. All right, so that looks perfect. I ended up adding about 1 teaspoon of salt and a little bit more curry powder to enhance the taste. So I've got a bowl in front of me for the final taste test. All right, so I don't have rice on hand right now, but I'm just gonna taste it for now and let you know what I think. So these are recipes that I've never tried before, and I just want to share with you how I like them in this series. Okay, so let me see. Yep, the butternut squash is perfectly cooked. The green beans are cooked. So let me go ahead and taste this. It's gonna be really hot. It's good. I think it just needs probably more seasoning if I could, but it is really good. If on top of white rice or maybe dipping naan in it as a side dish, totally good. But yeah, I would definitely make this again. Maybe add a couple more of the Indian regular spices. But yeah, I give this one a thumbs up. Alright, so if you like these types of videos where I'm just kind of testing, recipes out, giving you my feedback on it, let me know. Please comment, like, and subscribe to see more videos. And as always, live life tastefully balanced. Hi everyone, so welcome back. Oh, no. Alright, welcome back. So, and show you a new series that I'd like to call